Let's move away a little bit to your state, Imo State politics, Imo APC, registration of party members ongoing. Um, Recent development has shown that your party in Imo is factionalized. Am I correct?
Well, my brother, let's say halfway.
Okay.
If those camera can beam, that's the picture of my
No,
governor.
no problem. We'll get it.
And it's not in contention
Okay.
that the senator who posted him as the governor of Imo State.
Okay.
It's not in contention. He's the leader of the party in the state, being the governor.
Okay.
But our problem is we have elected executives of the party. And these elected executive party are product of our Congress that the party did,
Okay.
that were ratified during the National Convention, which all of us are part of.
Okay.
The tenure will last in June this year. Now a caretaker came up. What was the crime of the elected officers? Nobody can tell us.
Were they dissolved?
They were never dissolved. Rather, they were suspended by the then chairman of our party, Comrade Adam Oshomole.
Okay.
And new caretaker were appointed. Even before Oshomole left off the seat of Oshomole, these people went to court and got judgment.
Okay.
They still went to appeal. They have valid court judgment to say they are still party executives that will have their tenure expired by June
Okay.
of this 2021.
Okay.
Now, the National Party, when Oshomole came, I remember Mr. President said, drop all court cases.
Okay.
See, the caretaker we have in Imo, as in then, still went to court, and they lost. They went to appeal court, and they lost again. So what are we saying? That they recognize executive of the party is the executive led by Honorable Dan Nwafo, that have his tenure to June this year, and they should be allowed to move in. Okay, now in one of the meetings, the leader of our party, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, had. I'm a NEC member of this party. I have slot of House of Representatives, Southeast, as a NEC member. I was part of the future. I was not there in Aso Rock when they not dissolved every ESCO. My brother, the situation is like when two people are fighting. Then the referee said, okay, no, please, this fight has ended. Everybody go home.
Okay.
I'm going to appoint an acting person that will stand in place. Then those people were going home. You now called back one of them that was part of the fight and said, okay, hold this thing for me.
Okay.
Then the fight have not ended. Because if the national caretaker chairman had so dissolved, like they did Pan Nigeria, they dissolved all ESCO in Nigeria and said they will appoint Artin to hold until Congress. Yes, that's by NEC resolution. And NEC is the highest decision-making body of our party. Just know that. But these two men were walking home. You brought back one of them.
Okay.
And still I made the acting chairman. That means that other person will have to come back and continue with the fight. I could have preferred where these people were dissolved and a neutral person.
Appointed.
If a neutral person, maybe, yes, the governor of the state have all the privileges to appoint who the state chairman of the party. But what we're saying, once you go into those old people that have been causing this issue, if the national party have asked Dan Nwafo Elemibo go, want to sanitize this party, the governor could have nominated Aso Baba or Mr. Mode. Say, okay, come and have this. Then the two fractions, we know that we have a new person in charge. Everybody will come and support.